Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on how to perform a click operation using Selenium in Python, specifically targeting an element by its class name. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browser interactions, and it's commonly used for web scraping or automated testing. In this tutorial, we'll cover the following steps. Make sure you have Python installed on your system, and then install the Selenium library using pip. You need a WebDriver to interact with a web browser. In this example, we'll use the Chrome WebDriver. Download the appropriate version for your Chrome browser from the official chromedriver website, and make sure to place it in a directory that is included in your system's path. Now, let's write a simple script using Python and Selenium to perform a click operation by class name. Make sure to replace the placeholders with your actual chromedriver executable path, the target web page URL, and the class name of the element you want to click. This script opens a web page, waits for an element with the specified class name to be present, and then performs a click operation on that element. The webdriverwait is used to wait for the element to be located before attempting to click on it. Feel free to adapt this example to your specific use case and modify the script accordingly. ChatGPT.